In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a photo collage in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're creating a vision board, putting together memories from a recent trip, or crafting something special for social media, a photo collage is a versatile and creative way to tell a story through images. Canva is a fantastic tool for this because of its simplicity and array of design options, making it accessible no matter your design experience. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open Canva. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you'll see various options for creating content. Look for a button or link that allows you to create a new project. This is where the magic begins. Now, with your blank canvas in front of you, it's time to unlock the power of templates. On the Canva interface, find the Templates tab. This is a treasure trove of design inspiration, especially when you're looking to cut down on the time and effort needed to create from scratch. In the search bar within the Templates tab, type in Photo Collage. You'll see a variety of styles and layouts pop up, tailored to different themes and purposes. Take your time to scroll through and find a template that resonates with your vision. Once you've found a template that you like, go ahead and click on it. This will load the template onto your canvas, giving you a structured foundation to start from. The elements are all laid out for you, and you can customize them to your liking. Next, you'll need your photos on the canvas. Head over to the Upload section of Canva. This is your personal cloud space in Canva where all your uploaded images are stored. If your photos aren't already uploaded, simply drag and drop them from your computer into this section. From there, it's as simple as dragging each photo directly into the designated image frames on your template. One of the beauties of Canva is its intelligent design features. As you place your photos into the collage, Canva will automatically crop and fit them perfectly into each frame. This feature saves you a lot of time, ensuring each photo sits neatly without needing manual adjustments. Finally, when you're happy with how your collage looks, it's time to share your creation with the world or save it for yourself. Look for the Share button in the upper right corner of your Canva page. You can choose to download your collage in various formats such as PNG, JPG, or even PDF. Select the one that best suits your needs, and there you have it, a beautiful photo collage ready to be displayed or shared. That's all there is to it. With Canva's user-friendly interface and vast resources, creating a stunning photo collage has never been easier. Enjoy experimenting with different templates and photos, and let your creativity shine.